why each of you thinks you are more qualified for this position.
Thank you. I've been practicing law in Mono County since 1987. I have worked for 2 local law firms, and I have worked for the County of Mono, providing effective public service as a deputy district attorney, as the child support director, and now in the county counsel's office. That breadth of experience of seeing every type of case in depth is the first reason why I am the most qualified to be the next Superior Court judge. It's not about the length of experience. It's about the quality of the experience. It's about each case you look at and do the right thing. I can say by being a deputy district attorney, I took those values representing the people of the state of California to be the highest honor I could have. And in that role, you review a police report, you make the decision as to whether or not a crime should be charged, what that crime should be, what the disposition should be. And in that role, you are acting as in a quasi-judicial manner. You are acting as a judge. That role shifts when a defense attorney comes in and says, I disagree with you, the facts aren't that way. And if you still believe that that's the right thing, you now switch to being an advocate. And you understand the rules of evidence and understand what you need to do to persuade a jury of your peers to reach a conviction and persuade the judge to merit a sentence. After that, I practice family law. I understand the impact of emotions and financial difficulties on families going through a divorce, in custody cases, and I'm aware of those dynamics and would help people work through that process. As child support director, I work with many, many people in determining how to move forward with their lives when one party thinks they're paying too much and the other party thinks they're not getting enough. And I was able to reach a resolution in almost all of those cases and did not have to go to court in those cases. Working for the county has given me a tremendous breadth of experience in personnel law, land use law, child dependency, and in every other respect that where the government interfaces with the citizens. I think that my experience and my judicial temperament will make me a very outstanding judge.
Thank you, Mark. Since experience is such a big player here, I'd like to ask you all some questions about your experience.